Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. That still sounds so much better than NYSE. NYSE is the OG, but Wall Street Sessions is the new and improved, baby. But let's get kickstarted. Jev, how you doing, brother?
Kicks, I believe, I feel very
Man's
good.
feeling motivated, yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm great, brother.
Awesome.
Took me back to the days of our sports cars and fun. Definitely got the mood going a bit today, so I'm on top of the world right now, eh? But
Definitely.
yeah, guys, I think there's going to be some very, very cool content coming up in the future for you guys. We are doing a lot of cool stuff, so you're going to want to keep your heads out. Also, guys, just because we are here, see you got cars outside today. Whose are they? So the Urus is Chris's brother, and then it's his partner in the G-Wagon. So they pulled through it today to do some content with them. But yeah, guys, going over to everything else. Again, just thinking about this, we told you guys we are stepping up. We're going to start leveling up. And in saying that, for example, starting off, the tickets are booked. Chris and myself will be heading up to Joburg in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. Then we are coming up to Joburg. So going to be some big moves. We literally have a podcast tonight. We have another podcast on Friday. We are pushing the content now, guys. We told you we're going to step up, and we are going to do exactly that.
Oh, and guys, tonight's podcast, you don't want to miss it. She's a psychologist, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a psychologist, so have your questions ready for end of the session, so that you can ask them or ask the lady anything you want to know about the mind. Literally
talking psychology with a psychologist. Do a vlog of your Joburg tour. Yeah, we actually could do that. It's going to be quite sick. You guys are definitely going to see some faces on that little trip that you guys will recognize. So again, looking forward to that one. Can someone take me for a G-Wagon? I don't want to know how it feels, anyone. They are insane. This one, the chairs are full on kit, everything. So it is an absolute beast. But let's get into it, guys. It is New York session. We're going to get things going. We just want to see our little analytics here. I don't know what happened. Yeah, let me just sort this out. No, I don't want Wix. I'm getting ads on my own stream. How's that? There we go. All right. Okay, there we go. Back to everything. So let's get into it, guys. Obviously, on the fundamental side of things, nothing really today to watch out for. GDP, Euro, yeah, just the FOMC meeting minutes. Obviously, this is just literally talking about the minutes. So again, nothing that really is going to shock the markets up, as again, these are all things we already know, guys. This isn't FOMC. This is the old one. So nothing going to really happen on that tonight. So literally, I won't be watching it. I'll be probably chilling, doing work or sleeping, one of the two. We're going over to DXY, guys. Also, before we actually carry on, just let me know about the audio, how everything's sounding. Music's a bit loud in my ears, so I don't know if that's just me or in general.
It is a bit loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it down a bit. But yo gents, what's up, my brother? Always good having you in the house. But audio is good. All right, so let's get into it, guys. So again, going over to DXY, I'm still remaining bullish, guys, until we can actually get a break and a close below this zone. And basically, even I wouldn't even say that zone, honestly, because that could just be your fake out. I'd literally probably look at that key level when we can start getting a test there. And the fact that 200 is also over there, that 200 has been a general for DXY. So I'd actually like us to see a break under then to then have retest and continue on the DXY before I'll actually flip bearish. Purely because on this side of things, the dollar has no reason to be getting weaker. So I just don't trust it. I'm still holding off here. Again, you remember you got from tomorrow, you got dollar finally coming back with some fundamentals to bring that volume in for it. So if this can even close like this, a little bit of a doji candle today, we can definitely see some volume come in tomorrow. So even if we don't get that push now the rest of the session, I'm still looking forward to it. So hoping dollar can make its comeback again. At this point in time, dollar still isn't taking out Asia lows. We're still holding the support, so this is actually quite the key area for us at this point in time to be testing this and holding this little support here. So that's what we're going to take note of. But if we do start getting into Asia lows, dollar can look to continue lower. But again, I think today basically really just depends on where dollar closes. So going over to gold. Gold, as I said, guys, I am looking for the sells. I am still very, very bearish purely because of dollar. But again, very, very simple thing. If this thing starts taking out the highs, so the previous weekly high, and goes for those Asia highs to hold the R1, very easy. We can look for that retest and continuation to that weekly key level and weekly resistance. But again, if we can stay there, same thing I've been looking for the whole day is basically the break below this zone. So once we can break below there, hold that as a rejection, and then we need to finally break this support here. When we break this, we can see the flash down to go get the daily pivot, the EQ, Asia lows, and then finally test the support over here again. So again, very, very simple. If gold's going to sell, I want to see us getting below and breaking over here. Until then, it's literally a bit of a play it safe on gold. So you've basically got two areas. You got Asia highs and the support to watch out for on gold. Going over to NAS. NAS, I'm still very, very bearish, guys. Even though dollar is taking some shots, we've been bearish on it the whole time. Basically trading down the whole day. As we said, basically that was our entry point this morning. But as I say, I don't trade equities in London session, so I just stayed out of that one. So if anything today, guys, this is purely going to go now for their weekly supply and just melt off. But if this starts going back into the Asia range, very likely you're going to go for Asia highs that are untested and basically go for the daily pivot and the EQ, and there you could see that continuation to the top side. So just take note of that if this gets back into the Asia range. Then going over to US 30, almost a very similar thing, but US 30 is at least in a nice range for us. Very simple. If we were here, told you if you start breaking down, you train to the next range, and that was perfectly it. Coming back up to hold Asia lows, we wanted to hold that, and we just can't break these lows again. So very, very simple. All I'm going to look out here, same as with NAS, if we start getting back into the Asia range and actually can hold Asia lows, look to trade up for Asia highs, which remain untested, and basically see that pump to the top side. But again, if we start taking these lows and finally breaking and holding, so breaking here and being able to hold that retest, we can see that continuation to the downside. So that's what I'm going to look for. Very just reactive day today, if I'm honest with you. But again, not going to force anything. It just hasn't been too much volume on the markets lately for me. Jev, what are you looking at, brother?
So I'm looking at EU, GU, gold, and CAD. CAD yen. So DXY, very, very interesting this morning. As I told our members that looking for price to tap into this demand, and it was like a sweep above that level. So I'm with you there, Keeg. So very, very interesting. If you look at the 4 hour, here's the weekly S1, and I think this is the zone you're referring to more or less on DXY. So I want to see DXY trade down in the session, and up until we get up until the S1, I will start flipping bullish if we hold it basically. So with that said, I'm bullish on EU. So with that said, we can see that price has held to open. We're back above Asian highs untested. So I do expect EU to do something like this, where price will come tap at the open, daily pivot, order block, and then target the weekly R1. And then on GU, I'm currently in buys here of TP at the Asian highs. So I expect price to take out the Asian highs, retrace back at the daily open, Asian lows, test that level, and then hit back to the upside. So we could potentially get in here again to target these highs up until this level at the weekly R1 as well. Gold, still same thing. And since yesterday, as you can see as well, we have a nice liquidity build up here. So here's that double top liquidity. So a lot of people sold their stops above this level. So we want to see price come up until more or less 30, 20, 34, 35, more or less down around that area, and wait for a reaction and change of character before looking to go short. On GJ, I wanted to sell it this morning, but I missed it, and I'm not too keen on the buys either, but also I'm not too keen on the sell, so we're going to sit this one out. And on CAD yen, so unfortunately price has tapped the daily open, so that's something we have missed, and if it comes back to that level, won't look to re-enter it. So yeah, so for the session, only going to look at GU and EU, hoping to get tapped in on that retracement.
There we go. Is that everything on your side, Jeff?
Yeah, for now. If there's anything else, I don't want to overwhelm myself. Too much happened today.
All good, all good. I was actually going to say, Connor in the chat asking, Jeff, is it safe to be on stream today?
I was also looking at that. Connor, why wouldn't it be safe?
Yo, why? What you on about, Connor?
And if anything, if there's a problem, then know where the office is. I know I can defend myself.
Is it safe to be on stream today? What the hell does that mean? Chad, GJ, I don't trade GJ in New York session. Both of your pairs are out of session, so I don't know why you'd be trading that now. Chaz, give GBT CAD a look. It might fly soon. I don't trade it either. Drop the likes, Chad. Yeah, GJ double top or breakout. Well, again, not trading that now, so not looking at that. Also in GU buys from there. Roger, it's not a pair they trade. Makes sense being a miner and all that. What is going on here? I'm so confused. Being a miner. Are you talking about the pair being a miner or us being a miner? Yo, there's always trolls in the chat in my session, bro. Connor, still, what are you going on about, bro? Sending out a laughing face.
I'd also like to know.
I'm in Nash shorts, long fucking ass shorts.
I don't remember that I'm beefing with anyone.
Okay. Roger, what you on about, brother? Roger and Connor. I'm as big as Shikas, Roger. Stop loss in profits and holding until new lows. Beautiful, brother. You still in the Nash shorts, yeah. Still from this morning, yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. It's a silly little pair to trade in NY. Okay, yeah. They want their fame like Anton. I trade my boy Drickers Roger. Boys trading for real, lol. I'm still saying, like, what's Connor going on about? That man wants to come to you and then replies with a laughing face. What is that? I took a sell on Nas 17499. Okay. Good for you, brother. It's going well. Well done. Yeah, I don't know. Like Connor's now, he's the one that's all shy all of a sudden. But we are just waiting for market to open, guys. 10 more minutes and we'll see what happens there. But as I said, still focusing. DXY needs to do a few things there. Hold that zone. Just toughening your skin, Jeff.
Nah, no need to toughen my skin, Connor. Like, I'm not scared of anyone, bro.
You boys need to relax. What is...
The guys don't know, me and Keegan did kickboxing. So like, when you come to the office, we have in-office security.
Yeah, I don't know. Connor, that man's probably the only one there relaxing, bro. He's freaking smoking something. I don't know what that bro's doing. Good work that you guys are doing. Good vibes only. Let's go. 100%. Listening contest incoming. Nah, bro. What happened? Like, we've been chilling. We had a lacquer day. Now it's like these guys, yeah. Peter, I don't know what he's upset about. Connor's trying to toughen someone's skin up that he's never met. Like, curious. What happened there when we were gone? I'm never upset. Caleb juice. Yeah, bro. I don't know. Connor was Connor. Oh, yeah, I thought you were saying we were gonna have it with him now, but no, yeah, Connor's on his own mission. I don't know what that man's doing. Guys, I'm just waiting for market open
even
now.
after today, I feel like, bro, I'm so over the beef. I don't care about anyone. Like, this is my journey. If you scam, you scam. That's between you and God. And if you don't want to learn, that's between you and yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, no, bro, we're not giving them attention at all. Like I said, I was just trying to figure out what the man was on about. But yeah. Oh, yes. Now I'm giving Mo a phone call. Fart. Oh, yeah, Edgar. I was going to say, Jeff, yes, bro, you go for a little car ride. Man's motivated as hell now.
Yeah, bro. Yo, that was sure. Yo, when I get home, Michaela's not gonna hear the end of that.
Nah, bro, it is.
And I mean, like, for a guy from a small town like in Alawal North, don't mean to sound like I'm tooting my own horn here, but like I don't know anyone from my hometown who's ever been in a vehicle like that, you know.
The thing
So
is, it still is. It's a real thing. That's like, again, it's not. You know, I'm not saying that taking away from you, but it is a crazy thing. I always say people, it's an eye opener. In like Chris and I always talk about what's relevant in the room. And for example, cars like that is a car that's worth more money than people will ever even just make in their lifetime. Not even their house. They will never make that amount of money in their life.
yeah.
And that's someone else's car. It's like that. It is, I always say. So you know what? It is a thing that motivates people to get up to work, to do those type of things. So
Edgar, Allen North. I think we spoke about this, yes. You said you're from Elliot. Yeah, want kom van die plaas af.
Hey James, I'm here for good vibes. Don't compare me to Connor. Yeah, bro. Nah, Connor's been around. I still remember the day I thought this was the other Connor that tried to fight with us that one time. But we made it clear it's not the same Connor. But yeah, Raja's chilled. He's always been a G. Quite often in the London streams as well. So Raja's chilled. Connor, again, he's just on his own mission. That's why I don't know much love. Jeff, are you from Alabama North, dude? I went to school in. Okay. Your birthday, mate. Do you guys look at stocks sometimes or simply Forex indices? When you mean stocks, are you just talking as in like Forex pairs or stocks? If like normal stocks, then no.
I sometimes do, but it depends. There must be something behind it. Like for instance, I traded Facebook the last time they got slammed to the court case. I traded Netflix when they released Kaleidoscope. So it depends. There must be some hype around it.
Hold on. What video did you post about the $10 account?
Oh no, it's an old post that I just made into a reel. It's where I traded with the Riv, where I took $10 to, I think, $1,000 something or $2,000, something like that.
Yeah. We've got our own NASDAQ millionaire. Is it a bit dangerous driving the US in SA though? Not really. Well, yeah, with the potholes and stuff,
yeah,
but where we were driving, no.
I did think about that, like you're in SA and like you're.
But again, we're not driving, for example, in like this freaking city center. We're driving in a more built-up area, so. Gents, please press the like button. Yeah, please guys. I don't know, Chris has it. We don't get a little sticker thing. Wait, let me see if I can find it. Here's the coin flip. There we go. Wait, guys. I want to see if I can put this thing on. Wait. I'm gonna figure it out, guys. I'm gonna figure this thing out.
So Ed, so very interesting actually. Only took, compared to other challenges I've taken, they would have been down the drain by now. On this challenge, I've only taken 1, 2, 3 trades, break even, and yeah, if GU runs to Asian highs, I'll be up 1%.
Bro, I don't know how he did this. I can see it, but I don't know how to change that amount.
What's that?
We had this little thing Chris put up in the London session, but I don't know how he changed the amounts.
Oh, that thing that said the follow account or the subscribe account.
The road to 10k. Like I can see it, but obviously not updated. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with that now. But yeah, 5 more minutes till market opens, guys.
Yeah, Dave, I've been in GU since 11. So on my personal account, I added a position at 11. I've added a position at 1:15. So they both in profit at break even.
Nah, Vince, I agree with you, bro. Those guys aren't getting wrenches. As much as our wrenches have power, we still overrule you guys.
Yeah,
so I can tell you that man's not getting a wrench anytime
with
soon.
With great power comes great responsibility.
Yeah, because of Rattle Flex. Awesome, brother. Great to have you here, my man. I'll put your Jeff, you're in GU, OMG. Well, I had such a laugh now. Dolminia too, Raj. Yeah, still just waiting here, guys. Obviously waiting for market open, but dollar looking like it wants to hold that support though.
Benjamin, I didn't take a buy now, if that's what you're asking. I took a buy earlier before stream already. I'm already in break even both positions.
Ah, naughty, naughty, Jeff. Naughty, naughty.
No. It's from London. One setup. One setup.
Rattle joined late this morning. Oh, did you? I didn't see that. What's up, my G's? What's up, Nita? How's it, guys? I'm back after a few days. I missed the 6K stream, but congratulations. Oh, appreciate it, brother. Yeah, massive. We're on the road to 10K. In the same trade with you, Jeff.
My man.
So now you see, Jeff, you know what that means. You're an SMC trader, bro. You are now an SMC trader.
I still don't identify.
You identify as other.
Yeah.
Other.
Yeah.
Bro, I always wondered, like, who ticks that box? Like, other. Like, I'm sure, like, obviously it's like Indian, Asian people, but like, I'd still be offended, bro.
Yeah.
Other.
Did you
Yes.
hear the joke of Trevor Noah where he says, if you select other, what is other? What he said? Okay, I'm not gonna do it on stream, but
Okay.
I'll see if I can find. I'll send you a link.
First time on the New York Station stream. Oh, awesome, brother. Are you usual on the opening bell?
Wait,
Yeah,
sorry, say it again.
No, there's a guy, Vivesh. He's saying his first time here for the New York session stream. So
Oh,
I'm saying
okay.
obviously he's usual on the London, because I haven't seen his name there before. Your master other. I still remember that one where Dorito is talking about that one where he talks about when the guys go overseas, or the overseas people come here, and like we all call each other coloreds, and they're like, no, you can't say that, you mixed race, you're massive mixed race.
Connor, like really, bro, what is your problem today? Why are you now attacking Boss Bobby? Why? What's the problem? Why you wanna have a trade-off?
What is this? Oh, hold on, what's going on here? What's going on here?
So Connor asks Bobby, Bobby, can you trade? And Bobby replies,
But where did it come out of? They just randomly asked Bobby. What is?
I'm also looking now.
That's
Did
what I'm like.
Bobby say something?
He's
But Bobby
asking
didn't say
specifically.
anything. Bobby didn't say anything where he's like, oh no, I'm a trader, I'm the best trader, anything like that. The last thing Bobby said was literally, he replied to Vince, I thought you were on those nose beers. And obviously that's between him and Vince, they're joking. But like, what does that have to do with Connor? And can you trade? And then it's like,
I don't know what this kid's doing. A man woke up and chose violence. Yeah, bro. Lol, relax, Jeff.
nah, Connor, I think like you have to relax, bro.
Connor, go past the chat instead of wanting competition with Bobby. Connor fighting those good demons. Can we back this a criteria on GU, please? See if we can look back if it was a proper bar setup.
Yeah, sure.
Not to make Jeff look bad
Of
or
course.
anything, but in the chat and project guys are talking about setups.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, market's open, guys. So we've got the 15-minute shuffle. I just want to see our dollar looking to hold there now. I just want to move this up for that zone over there. We know we're breaking. Then yeah, we'll go. Well, obviously remember, guys. So myself and Jeff do trade differently. So obviously I would have a different approach. Jeff, where did you buy from?
1.26057.
1.26.
So 5 pips above the round number.
Wait, 126?
1.26056, more or less around there.
26056.
So literally the low of London.
Yes, that's like the low.
Yeah.
So my thing is, okay, first off, I wouldn't have entered there straight at the bat. There's no actual for me entry criteria to enter that. That's a sniper entry, stuff like that. So I'm not saying he's wrong, but my thing, I just wouldn't have entered that. There's no way in hell I would have got that entry. If I had to tell you now, my best bet, because I was bullish, and we were talking about having not bullish or bearish. So I personally wouldn't have looked for, but if I had to talk about looking for a bar, my first thing would have been that you've broken here. The fact Asia highs are untested, okay? So if you broke here, once you traded back up, testing Asia lows, and you've rejected, I would have looked for this retest here. If we can break on this retest, then I would have taken the trade, started looking for the bars. Now if you're looking for the bars over there, my best entry would have been over here. I would have had the bullish engulfing, the trade back, and then another bar confirmation candle to take the trade. So I would have been only entered in over there. Again, lows below the lows there. About double the wick, as I always say to you guys. So you know what, I would have made a round number, could have gone with like a 5 pip stop, and that would have been my entry for the trade and aim for Asia highs. That's if I had to take that trade. Personally, if, like I said, I took that, if I really wanted to look for something there, that's how I would approach that trade, just on my trading strategy. But yeah, it's not to say that it's wrong. The best thing is the fact you failed to break lower, coming back up, you're having the break of structure. You can start looking for the bars. It's also the big confluence here that Asia highs are untested. Dollar's not breaking lower, kind of being an inside day. So you can look for that move to come in. Pound do having news coming out today, so pound can be a lot stronger than dollar today. A lot of things can go into it if you really want to start looking for those trades. But yeah, I wouldn't have taken where Jev took it personally, but the trade's still a good trade.
Yeah. Could you share my screen?
You are live, brother.
So very simple as well. So here's the weekly pivot, break of structure yesterday, higher high. Here's a demand with the institutional level. So when price trades down to this level, what I then do is obviously that's my demand, that zone. All I want to see is price hold that level. So obviously this comes with experience as well. So right over here, when price started holding it, I was like, okay, let's see what happens. So literally over here, this is your change of character. And then this over here becomes your demand. Basically, you can use these two candles. So literally right over there. Entry. Boom. And then stop below the box over here. So the stop on this was about 7 pips. And then obviously change of character, break to the upside, leaves you with a new demand. Okay, I have to go back, which is this candle over here on 3 minute. And because they held it, just added another position, in break even, stop below this new box. So very simple. Oh shit.
Oh, what's that?
Oh no, I moved my box.
Yo, Edgar, I don't think that's what we were saying, bro, but but good try. Connor, brother, please chill, man. You're going to make cack for yourself. Just ignore the people. You don't know SMC specialist. I checked the comment had nothing to do with trading, but the quality of the vibes. Alright. We have some alerts going off. What alert went off? Gold, obviously, yeah. Yo, that was a fire trade. But Jev,
Yeah.
did you take the trade in your funded account?
Yeah, that's the one.
Did you take this one in your funded account?
Yeah, so
I was gonna say in front of the chat now. If you went to me now, I was gonna give you a PK.
nah, so what I did was I actually messed up. I took GJ first and I took 1%, and I was so dumb because I was on to sell, and at the daily open I bought, but my stop was literally too tight and I got stopped there. And then I took the GU from there, so that is what put me at break even. So now if it goes up, that's my 1%. So only 2 bullets.
Nice, Jeff.
But nah, don't worry, Keeks, don't worry. I am listening to you.
I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying. Jeff, what is your RR?
On what exactly
on
event?
that trade.
So this was actually a 1 to 3. This is a 1 to 3. No, I'm wrong. Shit, I can't remember.
Well, what was your stop loss? Just draw your stop
7
again.
wait, 7 pips. So shit, wait, just give me a second. I have to move this thing a bit. So the risk reward on this is 1 to 4.4.
1 to 4.4.
Yeah.
So basically a 4.5 hour trade.
Yeah.
Boss Bobby, all good. End of the day, you have no idea who you're talking to, so keep it respectful. Connor, I'm gonna tell you one time to chill out now, bro. Otherwise, you're getting banned from this channel. So chill the fuck out. I don't give a hell who you think you are, my bro. You're gonna get humbled very fast.
I'll actually say this. You wanted to tell me about thick skin, bro, and you know where the office is. Let's see where's thick skin. You're not gonna come so cock here, bro. I'm being honest with you. We're doing this for you guys. You were cool, bro, in the chat, but now you're really turning into a doers, to be honest.
Nah, that's what I said. I still think this probably is the same Connor that saw that cuck the last time. And now he's just been a little more fit to come out as it. US30 again. There was that break, guys. So basically just a quick shoot up, testing the EQ again perfectly. Again, guys, you guys can tell me if the EQ doesn't work, but look at that. Literally a quick shoot up, test that EQ, and literally all the way down. So Nas basically not doing much, so we're waiting on that one. Gold still just holding that zone. That's why the break is so crucial on that. And DXY basically I think it's Asia highs. Yeah, Asia highs. JX, yeah, Shuffle just getting rid of that man, my brother. Good support level for US30 now. Good support levels in trading like down to. Well, you got the S2, so the fact if we starting to trade from the S1, S2 is definitely your target. But if we go in higher time frames, like bro, honestly, if you break in lower, that's the next target over there. Like literally 38,300, easy. That's the next target. If this is going to go bearish and not flip, then yeah, 100% you're going to 38,300. That's where I would hold. So depending where your entry was, I mean, if you flip and got in, like even just under this EQ, no, if you didn't get on the EQ, but under, I mean, I'd really just run break even. Because if this thing starts flipping, it can go for the Asia highs that we spoke about. But if it just starts running, it's just going to melt away. NAS, I think, still can also do the same thing. NAS basically has to hold this weekly supply. And if it doesn't and gives in, because keep in mind, these are the lows over here. So you've got a supply and the lows. The fact for me, you've done something like this, traded down, couldn't get away from the lows. Now you're there. It's just a simple thing to do that and continue. So definitely think you can see that move coming in there. Asia highs, Asia lows. Again, gold, I'm still just waiting for that break, guys. Got to be patient on it. And DXY just rejecting the Asia highs. So literally just a waiting game right now. Projects today was insane. I'm glad you enjoyed it, Vince. Yeah, there's always that one chop, always, bro. It's puppy, yo. Little Morphe. Yo, Alice Rap 88 squad. Sassy Gold just waiting for Papa Pal's meeting minutes. Yeah. Connie is smoking his socks. Gold recovery signal, please. Oh, King Jack. Sorry, Chad. What I was trying to stir was just a little bit bunt, but that's how it got a bit serious. Yeah, no, boss. Bobby, it's not your fault, bro. You literally were chilling in the chat, and that man just came at you. So honestly, like no stress. Jeff Safade, Vassen. Listen.
You say Vassen, man. Say Vassen.
Recovery song. Jeff, do you look for PRI above and below the Asia range?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yeah, Jev's here. He's not part of the GoFundMe, guys. Jev doesn't need no implants. Me and Chris that are struggling with that fight. Come on, gold. Just come to the party with us. Just help us out here. We all want to trade. Just come do it for us. Did you see Need for Speed Unbound now available? The cover is the car I literally bought this week. I'm so happy, lot. Need for Speed Unbound now available. Wait, I'm so confused. What are we talking about? Isn't Unbound an old game? Am I like confused or something? For PlayStation, where to like, oh yeah, bro, I had it long ago, so it doesn't bother me. I'm like a Need for Speed fan, so yeah, I had that literally like when it came out. That's why I was like so confused now. Gold doesn't want to come to the party, Keeks, bro, trust me. But I was saying to the guys, like, I'm not going to rush anything and take half-ass trades. Like, I'm patient. For example, you got tomorrow. I actually want to check it now. We're talking about, you got unemployment claims tomorrow, yeah. And then Friday, nothing. But then next week, you got consumer confidence. You got GDP. And then the big one, Thursday, you got unemployment claims and the PCE. And then Friday, don't we have it? Oh, it's just the next week. That's so bleak. But we still got PMI. I was hoping it was going to be NFP. I was wondering because it's literally the first. But then they're probably going to make it the next Friday.
Nah, you know what, man? I've seen now how much you love trading, Keegan.
NFP. Yeah.
You're such a big tough guy, and there's no NFP, and you go, oh. That's how you know you really love trading.
So yeah, like I'm not gonna force anything, guys. I literally probably gonna have my best trading opportunity tomorrow with unemployment claims. Just clap out at least something for the week, and then yeah, next week, Monday, new home sales. That'll be alright. Tuesday, consumer. Wednesday, yeah. So at least next week, basically every day I'll have something to trade. So next week we'll get the volume on dollar again. I need a miracle today. My funded challenge looking pretty cooked so far. Lol, bro. Roger, you literally won an account on like Monday or like Thursday, Friday. How are you guys down already? I just want to put it out there. I'm not saying that's the case with you, Roger, but like I just know a lot of people that do this. I just want you guys to understand, when you trade funded accounts, when they say your daily drawdown target is 5%, they don't mean it's a target to get to that. Like, you don't have to risk 5% a day. You can still just risk 1%, 2% if you really want to, and then like call it there. So
yeah, so what I've learned is, since I've never been funded, it's not a race. It's not a race. And take your time with it. Take your time with it, because yeah, what you said now, Keith, actually is interesting. Maybe they think like, oh, it's my target, I have to get this quick as possible. There's no rush, guys. Take your time with it.
Oh, there's Zane. I'm down 0.5% for the day. Zane, yo, bro, I really hope you're not down though, because I know you are one of our 100k winners. So I really hope you haven't destroyed that account. Yeah, in fact, Chef, I think I'm too hasty to hit targets. Yeah, I haven't touched it yet. Scan the markets for entries. If you blow an account on the trade drawdown, you're a total chop.
Look, this is what Keegan told me, and this is what helped me. So Keegan said, if you take a trade and you don't feel confident about it, don't take the trade. Don't take it, because even though you might make the profit, but if you're not confident in it, don't take it. And the other thing is, if your criteria isn't met, don't take it either. Even if you take one trade every 3 days, it's fine, because then like you're actually looking for quality setups instead of just trying to pass the challenge. Basically, don't rush the process, otherwise process will rush you.
Exactly. But yeah, guys, I think that is our 15-minute shuffle come and gone. So let's just see now, can we get an entry? Let's see, let's see. What was the... Alright, Wise Reds, Jeff. Guys, how do I learn to analyze like you? Just join the streams every day, brother. You'll get to analyze like us. Join the Discord, you get the educational stuff there, and you take it just one step at a time, and you'll get there. There we go. The number one Chad in the group, Vince, telling you exactly how it's done. Come on, gold. Just give me the bloody cell. Nas must bleed. Bro, it's going to. So I said, yo, Nas and that, like, for you, Jex, like, you got the beautiful entries. So, honestly, bro, like, this thing can literally die. Like, yo, this thing can... Today, I do think your target range is going to just be like these wicks here. Maybe like literally your wicks. But yeah, end of the day, like you can have a massive low target if you want to swing it. Like and just go break even and leave it. I don't know if you've ever really swung a lot. But USD, as I said, same thing. USD just going to die off. But yeah, if you, like I say, I'm not trying to be that guy, but if you... I do think you're in a very good position there. That like you could literally swing that trade. I was thinking of swinging it in a... Like I said, as long as you break even, bro. I mean, you're not gonna lose anything. But I don't know if that's on a funded account, if it's passing you a challenge, or if that's personal funds and you need the money. Like obviously, I don't know your situation, but. Like for me, I always say to people, if there is a chance that this can be a swing trade, like if it's more than 80% up, this can be a swing trade. Like I'm very confident in it. I'll swing it. Sunil H, what about gold today? I've been watching it the whole day so far, so I don't know what else you want me to tell you about it. Go back and watch the analysis, and you'll see what I think about it. And my brother, how did you swing trade play out from about a week or two ago? I'll let Eddie answer that one. Come on, gold. Oh, yeah, guys, just keep in mind we are gonna cut the stream at 1:15. Obviously, we got it set up for the podcast. So again, I mean, no news really this week other than tomorrow. So dollar not having that much volume. But we'll do what we can. So just a heads up that we will be cutting a bit short today. I went to grab MacD's. What did I miss? Nothing really, brother. We've literally still been chilling, yeah. Look at gold this week. Feels like watching paint dry on a wall, bro. I literally feel you. Like, it really does. Let's get 100 likes, please, chat. Yo, guys, there's 117 of you guys, only 63 likes. You guys can definitely get this baby to 100. Keegan, please go tell Buller that it must have been Connor who fooled around, isn't it? Yeah. No, it definitely was that Connor. I told you, bro, we've never had two Connors here. That's why when that man was still laughing and in the beginning of that day and just wouldn't answer the question. I knew it was him. It's that pair I want to master, yeah. It's clear on it, yep. Jeez, my boy, he's the main brush, that's good. Come on, gold. Do the work for the people, yeah. So is this thing gonna reject again now? Sunil, it's not FOMC. Can you guys just open your eyes and just read? It's not FOMC. Guys, please, 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 please. It is not FOMC tonight. It is literally the FOMC minutes. Meaning they are just sitting around discussing, because remember, FOMC is it's a start of a month to basically discuss that month. Alright? FOMC minute meetings is to analyze what happened, and they analyze what happened in the month so that they can agree basically what they want to look on as outlook moving into FOMC of the new month. So that's why they have the meeting now at the end of it. So literally everything they're going to talk about tonight has already been discussed. There's nothing that's going to shock us, nothing that we don't know. So the markets are not going to be affected because they've literally already priced in all of that. What's already happened there has happened on the market. So it is not FOMC. Please understand that. Yes. And yet these guys are still like, it's gonna sell, let's go. Bloody hell.
Let them sell. Let them create liquidity fast for tomorrow.
Grabbing liquidity for sales. Follow smart money. Oh boy. Aish. I have no words, bro. I have no words. We strong, yeah. I reckon it will still shake the markets like no one was expecting it. Love it. Okay. You know, my biggest thing that always amazes me is all these guys that are always asking me to please trade news for them because they can't are the same people that will tell me what news is going to do. Like, it just amazes me. Yeah. Do you think Nas will break 7,411? I gave him the target to Jex, I think it was. I do think it will break it. It's just about probability, guys. So I do think it will break it. Might have a bit of a fight there, but it will. I think it will break it. Damn, my Wi-Fi just came on. Mofo stole power cables. Internet being down all day. Oh, slushy, bro. That's bleak, but that is literally South Africa. I was not load shedding where they are just stealing our power. They are literally just stealing the cables. I'm fed up. Yeah, bro. It's Vince. Trust me, bro. I feel your pain. I feel your pain. Nah, New York streams are all different beast day. Yes. Today's my first day NYC stream, and I don't want to come off as rude, but what's your name, the other guy?
Me.
Carl, who you talking about? Which one?
He's probably talking about me.
Because he's like the other guy, but there's just two of which one?
So I'm Jevin, man, and that's Keegan.
I made a Telegram joke, but it seems chat auto muted it. Raja, I think there's certain things, bro. The chat before you can actually send it, that's also where that delay thing comes on. We've got basically like reviews, not if you want to call it review, but it picks up if there's maybe anything that it doesn't approve of, then it won't send that message through. Nasib Nila, Keegs, let Raja move the markets. Jevin, bro.
It's like Devon, Devon, but put a J.
Yeah.
You know, it's literally, like we would go buy food and stuff, and then like, okay, name for the order, and I'll go Jevin. Like, what? Jevin. And I'm like, what? Devon with a J. I don't know. I'm just like, just be JJ. Just call JJ. And then when they call JJ, I don't hear they're calling me.
General, they don't know my surname is Banks. Could I please get Jabba's RG or It's Justin Vessels, bro. Yeah, Justin Vessels. Just go either on my IG and stuff, bro, and you can just go search there for Justin, and you'll find him. I think his profile picture is the Golf R, if I'm correct. Yeah, it should be the Golf R. Alright, thanks G, no problem. Keys brother, did you guys catch anything for London? Chris, I feel like Chris took something.
Didn't he take buys on UJ? I think I saw something like that.
I think Chris took something. I'm hitting like a blank now, bro, but I think Chris took some. I didn't. Gold did London session what it's doing to me now. I mean, you can see from 1 o'clock, like the whole day, I've been waiting for this. So, yeah, gold's just done what it's been doing the whole day. Are we finally breaking now? He bought UJ. Yeah, there we go. UJ closed manually. Price struggled after 30-minute range. Come on. Can we get the first tick here, guys, and close bearish? Literally, will this be the first tick for us? Bro, what the heck is happening in the markets though? Isn't Feb supposed to be like month everything starts going like for the year again? Lol. Yeah, bro, well that's the thing. It was like the first bit of Feb. You kind of at the end of Feb now and everything's just slowing down again. The problem is basically got the Feds interacting with everything in the Reserve Bank. So keep in mind it's the big thing of who's going to start cutting, who isn't cutting. All of those things are starting to come into play now. So remember, it's just going to range because once those things officially start, it's a thing basically that's going to affect the rest of the year. So once they start, the markets will start trending and it's just going to continue. So yeah. Come on, guys. Let's see. I want to see if we get a close. I will take a shot at this thing. Waited the whole bloody day for this. Gold dollar is starting to hold a bit there. Oh yeah though. I need a bit of a pullback though. Come on, give me a pullback, I just want to see a test. Keegs, how long have you been trading for, bro? For like 4.5 years. 2030 longs, 2027 shorts, but probably not going to bother trading today. Come on, I need this thing to flip. Just flip, give me a retest, and on that reflip, I can enter. Oh dear Lord Jesus.
I've been trading since, so I started learning 2017, got scammed 2017, 2018, 2019 I got my mentor, started understanding the market, 2020 COVID hit, and that's when I started making money, and I went really full time. Then I had no choice because it was COVID, but yeah, ever since 2021, 2022, that's when things took off for me.
Bro, this gold. Come on. Give me the retest. Give me the retest. Bro, Keys, you want phase 2, my bro? I'm with you. I want phase 1. Come on, gold. Come on. Yeah, I went shorts, bro. So the first thing was I just wanted the closure below this, and I just wanted that retest, and then basically to trade retest, and the minute it flipped bearish, I would have entered. Come on, give me the retest. Come on, just give it to us. Just give it to us.
Oh no, Vince. Nee jong, jy kan nie so sê nie jong. Iemand wat so kaktryd kan ons nie die market beweeg nie.
Well then I'm leaving this thing, guys. The fact DXY is also like just pulling back there. Again, it can pull and hold, but because of what DXY is doing, even if this does flip, I won't wait for that reflip. Yeah, we'll just see what happens here. End of the day, remember, this is the major support. So that was like almost a first tick, but this is the baby. This is the thing we need to break so that we can continue all that way down. So again, what I always say to guys, the idea is not to enter this to trade that. The idea is to enter that to trade that. Does that make sense? You guys try FMC. Bro. Guys. Not live. Not live. And I'm not trading it personally either. Because it's not FOMC. Yeah, the oaks.
Yo. Yo. Nah, look here, we love you, Chad.
Yeah.
Yo. Smiley fella.
There we go.
Yo, you guys are taking risky trades there, huh?
Jesus.
The man guys are buying UJ at the Asian highs. At
Right.
Asian lows are untested.
Nah, Dave, we do still embrace them, bro.
I see you made a note there. Not everyone
Yes.
see tonight.
Yo. Good. Gotta work smarter, not harder, bro. What's that man doing?
Yeah, whenever he claps like that, something's happening.
So DXY looks like it's still holding that as the support though.
My only thing is it just rejected the daily open.
What, DXY?
Yeah, and Asian lows untested. That's my only fear of being long right now.
What do you mean the daily open?
So where price opens at 12?
But that's not the daily open.
At 12, exactly at 12.
The daily open.
Okay, so I base my things purely based on time. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock I start my Asian session.
Yeah, but even then,
Where's your daily open?
the daily open would have been the actual daily open would have been at at 103,681.
Are you measuring it from where you measuring it?
Because that's last night. That was the
Oh,
close.
you're measuring it from last night.
So no, that's the close of last night. The very first candle, the Asia session, that's the open.
Okay, I see you measuring it from 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
okay.
that's the open. Check that. That's yesterday. That's the open.
Okay, I see. Yeah, slight difference in
Yeah.
perception.
What did Chris take? Curious. I'm also curious, bro. Message was right. Dave, videos closed manually. My TP is at Loki, brother. It's the minutes. Loki, I got a joke for you, mate. I use the same daily open by Jeff. ICT teaches it the same. Yo, now you SMC and you ICT.
I will just say I've never heard ICT say that, but if that is the case, then okay.
I wear 2Gs, just finished creating a subs management program. We'll send it to y'all at Instagram, on Insta. Awesome, brother. Naz P3 list. Oh, yeah. But no, that's chill. Y'all send it us on Instagram. Inputs on EU. I'm not trying EU today, brother.
Very simple, Sam the man. Wanna see EU take out the Asian highs and then basically retrace up until the open and then go back up.
ICT does teach that in his 2022 mentorship. I've been through all of his content.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I remember Kings. He had a little ICT debate off with Chris.
Oh, okay.
No more ICT worries. I don't think we're gonna get that sell on now, guys. Purely DXY fumbling the ball here at that support again. Hasn't taken Asia lows, but still fumbling over here. I think today honestly might just be an inside day on dollar. It identifies live streamers that aren't subscribed and haven't liked the live. Then kindly post on the live chart reminding them. Awesome. Yeah, I know Chris and I said moving forward we're actually going to do it that the giveaways are only going to run for people that are subscribed. So only our subscribers can do giveaways. Naz holding a Thursday is gonna fight out that support, but your US 30 regained that very, very quickly. I assume that bro from yesterday is still in that gold bars from yeah. Because apparently yesterday it was going to all-time highs. Gold, what's up, boys? Yeah, we are just chilling, bro. I'm still waiting for these breaks here. Now all you have to do is recode Nightbot. Okay, cool. After doing some research, it stated that most users actually forget to subscribe or like the platform. Not necessarily that they aren't doing so because they're not enjoying. Okay.
I will admit that is also me when I watch and I realized like a week, 2 weeks later, oh, I never subscribed to this guy's channel.
Yeah.
Very, very true.
Say no FMC tonight. Because there's no FMC, bro. And I'm just tired of people keep asking me if I'm buying or selling FMC. But it's very easy. I'm not buying or selling because there is no FMC. Gold's choppy. Yeah, it's very, very choppy. Basically a few more minutes, so I think we're just gonna get ready to wrap it up. Jeff, you looking at anything, bro?
Oh no, nothing from my side. So I wanted to see a nice entry pattern on GU. It just tapped the zone, so it didn't give me like a nice holding for us to buy. It just lifted out that. So also EU, don't think it's gonna come back within the next 3 minutes. So
yeah. All right, and from my side, guys, I'm not taking it. This is very, very choppy. And then again, guys, just be patient with your trades. I know it's literally, we said, it's like been watching paint dry gold this week. I'm not gonna force something that's not there. I'm not a 10 pip warrior. I like my bigger trades, but if I can't get it, I can't get it. Will you be sharing your yes, it's possible. You gotta buy now. Yeah, guys, which site you use for news? We have a terminal, and then we also use Forex Factory, just so you can show quick outlooks to you guys. But we obviously ending off a little bit earlier tonight because we've literally going to start setting up for the podcast with a psychologist. So you guys definitely want to join in for that.
Quick one as well. Id, my TP for GU as at the Asian highs. So it's about 10 pips away. So let's see.
Okay, just to help my brother out here quickly, Rashiki Tech, I want you to read this for me here, okay? Read this over here. FOMC meeting minutes. Meeting minutes. Now, I don't know if you're not English, but that means they're having a meeting discussing the FOMC minutes from the start of the month, which is all news we've had already. So it's not going to affect the markets tonight. So that is not FOMC. You know what? Actually, hold on. So I can educate some people. Let's go find it. Because this is actually going to, I promise you, bro. I'll sit you now. I'm going to go find it. Because I actually can't deal with this anymore. There we go. Okay. So only on the 20th of March, you will have FOMC statement, FOMC press conference. That over there is where you want to trade FOMC because that is what we don't know what they are going to say. FOMC minute meetings is not FOMC. Alright, I hope that is very, very simple for the grade 2s in the back to understand. So for the last time today, guys, I will not be trading a buy or a sell because I cannot buy or sell a thing that is not happening. Alright. So again, no FOMC tonight, guys. Please. I promise you don't need to have. There's nothing is going to happen tonight. I promise you that. You're not going to miss out on anything, alright? I promise you, nothing is going to happen, okay? But other than that, guys, we've got the podcast coming up. So, chat. Guys, follow my Telegram for FMC minutes. Trust me, bro. I'm Guru. I have Ferrari. I never know if this Raja is actually joking. This man's played so hard to be in Raja Banks. Thank you for clearing that up. Appreciate you. No problem, brother. I know that you tool. I meant trading around the minutes because that does affect the market. Bro, you're the only tool if you think it does. Because again, I'm the one that's trading full time. You're the one sitting here watching for advice. So, best of luck, Loki. You let me know when you make it one day, brother. Okay. But other than that, guys, remember for the last time, there's no FOMC tonight. So just take a break, chill out, and you can literally hit the markets again tomorrow.
FOMC tonight, guys.
All right. Yeah. Keegs and Devon with a J. But other than that, guys, it's been Joe and myself. As always, New York session has been a character building session. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Well, Chris will. For the
Yeah,
podcast.
guys, please
Make
don't miss out on that. You guys do not want to miss. If you are struggling with your trading, the psychology session is not something you want to miss.
Yeah, really, guys. I really tonight's gonna be a good one. Don't miss out on that. And then tomorrow we are back with the opening bell. Cheers, boys. Remember, get a carrot. Ask Chris if he's trading FOMC. Oh yeah. But other than that, guys, it's been all good. Peace and love, baby, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Check you, Chad.
'Cause it always comes back again.